What's up? I'm not going to talk very loud, or at least I will try not to, because it's late. And I'm going to do this data studying more. Really, like 5 minutes before this, I was taking a shit and thinking like I didn't want to do this because I was afraid that I will have a losing streak and it will be like that it would be like a bad situation to be, because that's not how it should be. But then also I know that it technically shouldn't come if I don't overtrade and if I just take the trades that were good. But now with just 5 minutes of time, that feeling has gone out, and now I think I feel better a little bit. I think it's just I just have to start doing it, and maybe it will like naturally wear off. But sometimes you have like feelings like that, and you cannot do much about it other than just accept the feeling, but not care about it much. So that's what I'm going to do now. And yeah, we were in February 6th. I'm going to do this video probably half of February or more if I want to, but yeah. Let's start. Mhm. Mhm. Yep. What the fuck? Yeah. Alright. That's alright. Why doesn't it play it? Fucking hell. Yeah. Nice displacement. I think this. Why is it on? Yeah, I think this is news. Maybe. I'm not really sure. Maybe not, maybe yes, but it's still doable. Yeah. Let's see if I can catch a trade here. Taking maybe a bit deeper retracement. Why doesn't it? Okay, nice rejection from this. Now is that kind of situation that it could be wise to go to 30 second. Because you know this candle previous before had a very good rejection from this gap, and the next one has gone a little bit more up, but the next candle really could be like a fucking big one. So if I go to the 30 second and maybe catch it like mid-weight, it will be better. So this is like many candles to go down, and this is I don't like this yet. I'm going to play. No, I like it, but you see, this already is too big of a candle. This was just, if this was like twice as big as this is, I would have taken it, because it would be more like, now it's hardly gone past the internal high. I can't do anything about it. Cannot do anything about it. Yeah, it would have been a break even anyways. Okay, now, yeah, I can do it. It's gone. Can't do nothing about it, and I don't need to. Oh shoot. Why am I on the 5 minute? Yeah. What the fuck? Yeah, no trades. Oh, this could be a data low or a data high play. Well, not data highs. We have the next draw. I think we're just going to flush path. Like, it tapped this gap and gave a really big rejection. And look at this volume. And look at the 30-second. It gives an instant. But the RR. Yeah, it's going to be very tricky if I take something like this. Yeah, I can have a 1-to-1. Executing this real time could be really weird, and still there's a high possibility that it goes more down, but I don't think it wants to that much because it's like instant reaction, and I'm break even on the internal. I'm going to put on like 5 second. Boom, I'm break even there so fast. It's like how many seconds? It's like 10 seconds. This is not like realistic at all. I don't know if I don't think I should go break even yet. I mean, let's think about it. I'm not going to go yet, break even on. I'm in this. Now I'm having like second thoughts about what should I do. I think it's always better to go the safest route, because when I've done something like this, I was nervous. It's a sign that I should go like to the safer route. Oh, nice. That was pretty fast. Yeah, I think it was right for me to go just break even, because yeah, it makes sense. This has so much volume, and this also is a pretty strong like rejection from the 1 minute. If it takes this internal high, you should go break even, because if it wants to go to this next draw, it will just flush past through it. It will not like, it shouldn't like chop around there. Of course it could, but with this volume, I think it's more like better to take the trade based on the volume and trusting it, and just going break even there. Where are we now? At February. Yeah, February. Next tape. We have taken that. Fuck. this. Oh no, what? Yeah, this is bugging. This is bugging. This is bugging. Yeah. What the fuck? What the fuck, FX replay? Wait, what? Oh yeah. It's Monday. Yeah, that's why it's skipping. Yeah, there's not really that much to. I'm not sure what even is like Asia low. I don't know if I could have this as Asia low. Oh no, maybe just this 4 hour gap. Yeah, the 4 hour gap is a valid draw. This is like the smaller gap draw. I mean, not even because there was a higher gap and it was respected and already gone. But now we're respecting this and respecting this. So there's not really that much to, expect other than just have to wait. I just have to like wait and see what market says. Right, playing it on a 5 minute. Going up, but almost the day ended. Yeah, nothing to take. Yeah, this is tricky. Has it taken this? No, it hasn't. Yeah, this is kind of weird. It's a higher time frame range. Like, there's gaps. Like, this is such a good draw because they're almost equal highs. It's a 4 hour gap and this got disrespected, so maybe 8 pounds to go to the next draw. And we're really close to the draw. And we're now in a retrace. Maybe we tap into this 15-minute gap and this 5 minute, and then we flip. No. Alright, this volume is the same as like last time. If you see this, it's a good sign. Then that's when you want to take a trade with the volume. London high and the 4 hour gap. Okay, draws. Let's see if we can get a. It takes London, but doesn't take the 4 hour retraces. I'm not going to take this entry, if anything, here yet. Now it's chopping. When did this 5 minute? I just don't like this retrace and how it chops there. Yeah. Maybe it'll go, but I don't like this trade. Yeah, could have easily stopped me out, probably here, or not. So yeah, we tap that 4 hour. The next draw after that, I really don't even see a good draw after that, other than that high time frame internal high. And yeah, the volume has died. There's not much volume anymore. That's news. Why doesn't the button work? I don't think I'm going to take trade this day. Then we fall. Oof. This is a massive move. 200 Wait, 233 points, 1 minute candle. 200 points, one candle. Crazy. Um, um, yep. Yeah, I think it wants to retrace. Yeah, retracement. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Because what I'm thinking right now is shorts here, just based on the more on the 5 minute and just this 1 minute displacement to go to this next draw. But really, it isn't that bad. Confirmed, or is it? I don't know. Like, I think I'm going to take this. This is like what kind of the same trade that I took like 2 days ago or yesterday. It's OKR, just breaking on the internal high. If I look at the 15, it's still holding this 15-minute gap, but it's holding this 15-minute gap also, so it's quite tricky. And if I look at this 1 minute, this is very bad. Like 1 minute, it's not having much volume. Okay, I'm gonna take this, going to look at it if it's a loss or not. Yeah, straight loss. All right, straight, instantly. Just, yeah. I guess this 15 minute held. And after it, it start to have actually volume. I don't know. This is tricky. But if this also wasn't that same as the other one, because the other one had like, I don't know, a better vibe to it. This, 1 minute time frame just chops around. It doesn't have, I mean, it has probably, yeah, they have good candle sizes, but this is such like a tall of a range that you just should be on the higher time frame always, because the 1 minute time frame just doesn't have enough time to make such a big move, especially after this news. So I'm going to journal this. That probably wasn't even a good trade. I'm going to have to look at more of these what weren't that good of trades. Uh, trade of big gap from news to displacement. I don't know, it wasn't even that good displacement too. So yeah, it wasn't that like, that was a pattern trade. It was a pattern trade. Yeah, I think that was kind of a bad trade. Yeah, I think I even know now that like I need to look out for these kinds of. I mean, if I even look at it at the 5 minute, This candle right here is good. The next candle, if this continued like had more volume, then would have been better, but it wasn't. I'm just going to move on the next one. This is bad. What the fuck? This is bad. Like, what is this? What is the whole range? Well, anyways, holding this 4 hour. Holding this 1 hour. This is tricky. Well, I'm going to mark up my draws. This is really wiki price action. Really wiki. I don't think I like even that. Mainly that bad, but I don't like. Ooh, this is really wiki and really like it can do moves really fast. Oh, longs look pretty nice here. Actually, there's so many draws up, and this is if it had a big candle like this, I think I would like to enter it, but just that this whole thing is like this volatile and can change the mind where it wants to go, like in a snap of a finger. It's like I don't trust it. Yeah, even like this, I don't trust this. I just don't trust it. Even though it has so good like relative equal highs, another draw up here, retracing, kind of displacing. Huh. Okay, what are the reasons for the maybe no, I'm not going to take this. It's yeah. I bet the next candle will be like fucking massive going down to the downside or something. Whoa, that was. This is weird. Why is it so volatile? Like, like maybe with this volume we can go to. Oh hell! This is a situation. There's just too much volume. That's why the 30-second could be used. This is just top blasting. Even though this is like incurred. Oh no, I'm not going to take this. There's one gap down here, also here. I'm not going to take this bullshit. Yeah, it goes to this gap. But here, I mean like, oh yeah, 30-second is also here fine to look at. Well, what the fuck? I'm not sure if this counts as data low because it also reversed there. I don't know. Maybe I could count it as data low. This is weird. If the if this is like weird like this and I don't like it, why should I even look to take a trade? Shouldn't I just skip the day? I'm not sure. Not sure. Why doesn't it go? Like this is crazy. Crazy volume. I'm just going to skip to the next day. Maybe we have calmed down. Rejecting of this 4 hour. Maybe just to take a trade there. Why does it do that sometimes? That's not real. Yeah, that's not real. That's right. Yeah, I'm just looking for a what the fuck? 5 minutes? Respected this gap and everything, but this is looking crazy on the 1 minute. I'm not taking a trade here. This is like way too much. Why is this? How did this price action just change? It was like here was okay. January was really better. This is like actually crazy. Like, what the hell is this? What the fuck? Just takes time. This is unpredictable. This is really unpredictable. I don't think I should do this. Like, this is a month where you want to take a trade, take a break. I mean, like, maybe to, and the hourly is like very weaky. Maybe to this, maybe to this 4 hour if it wants to be a draw. Good volume. Could I get a 5 minute gap? I'm going to the 30 seconds here. Yeah, no, nope. Hell no. Yep, next day. This is like how many minutes? Half an hour. I'm just going to do a little bit more of this because here's I've taken like how many trades? 2, I think. One was a pretty tricky one that realistically it's hard to enter like real times. And the other one was a bad trade that I shouldn't have taken. But yeah, I'm going to do this a little longer, so I will actually get to see some results. This is like, dude, what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? There's no more draws down, like no more good draws. I mean, that 4 hour that 4 hour? Could it be? We are already in this daily, so this is interesting now. This 4 hour gap. We had a nice retrace, and this is like okay displacement. It's not still better than this retrace, but it's still like good. I think this is a takeable if I can get like a good RR 1-to-1. That stop loss. I'd really want to have like a higher stop loss here because there's this gap. I'd like a little more space, but no, it's doable. Maybe I'm going to take this. Cool. Yeah. All right. Simple. Bro, that was crazy. That was crazy. Where is the entry? Yeah. Oh, no. Let's journal this. Over a nice clean trade, but the higher time frames are very weaky and unpredictable, so it's sketchy. It's alright. Now here it's looking a little bit more normal than like this. I think this is because of Trump, the tariffs and everything crazy that he does or that he did. Now it's a little bit more like calmer. Yeah, this is like I'm just going to need to see what the market wants to do. Not so good volume. Could play it. Very weaky. Tap in this 5 minute. The draw is very close. We are displacing good like these two candles on the 5 minute. We tap the 5 minute. I was pretty close to taking this, but I didn't like yeah, no, I wouldn't. No, this ain't good. Just look at these two candles. They have way more volume than these candles. So I don't know what I was. Well, I was looking at it and didn't. I only looked at it like two seconds. So didn't realize. This is next day. This is a really slow trading month. But these ones also happen. Like, what are we doing? What are we doing? Alright, like 1 hour, like at here it's looking bullish, but 4 hour it's looking still. I don't know. This is pure chop. Well, yeah, I have my draws. I don't have that many more draws that I like. Good displacement. I have to draw also here more draws if need. Nope. Alright, I think that was news. Alright. Alright. Maybe this last low. No. Just gets demolished. This. What the fuck is this volume? How many points this candle? 30 points. Yeah, I think that's the move of the day. Already in this daily gap. Not more lows to target. Like actually targetable lows. No more. I think it's going. Why does it go that much more down? Like what? Yeah, just chops the whole rest of the day. Yeah, it's again like this unpredictableness. Unpredictableness. Alright. Like, what is this? London low, displacement retrace. That's not that good of displacement, so not highly probable. Would have been break even at the previous candle. Like, yeah. Not really something that I would like to take. Maybe we keep dumping. Alright. Possibly. I'm not bottom blasting. Why you do this, man? This is not funny. Come on, man. Alright, this is pretty straightforward. Just like I could just look at ES. Is it like, oh yeah, this is, I'm in London. I kind of almost could like short here because we're retracing here, also entities 4. Then we go up, take like we sweep these highs, and then we have a really strong rejection candle from this and also this displacement down. I mean, like not displacement, but like a reaction, like it's continuing this rejection. But I don't think if it's a great idea. There's not like anything. This is tricky. Something's just saying that this could be a trade. I don't know if it's that I just want to force a trade. I don't think I want to force a trade. But it's just like no, I'm not going to take this. I was kind of thinking that this was like a V-shaped flip, but it's like 3 candles. It should be more candles, even though this maybe probably could, yeah, go break even. But now, like, look, it doesn't have that much volume, so it wouldn't be ideal. And the retrace has a little bit more volume also. Tap that gap. Yeah, I'm not going to bottom blast. Probably going to take the draw next candle. Does it? Yeah. Nothing I can do. Nothing I can do. What the fuck? No. This is like maybe the next one. Why doesn't it? This is very annoying. Very annoying. Why doesn't it click? What the fuck is this, bro? Bitch ass. Finally. I don't like this retrace. It has too much volume. Yeah, don't like this. Equal lows. Draw. We're trending down. Oh. I think this is very good. This is a very good draw. It has like almost equal highs with this. It's in this 1 hour gap rejected out of that. And this, if with this kind of price action, if I can get like the first candle will be bullish like this, I think I'm going to enter. Nope. Alright. Alright. Not then. Now I want to know if yes took this. No, even yes didn't. Weird. Well, maybe it wants to know. just ranging. Yeah, and just flush. Flush is passed. What about this next low? Does it just flush past through them also? Not going to bottom blast. Why does it keep doing this? Fuck off. Yeah, next day. I don't like this. I'm not going to chase price. Chase price. How many minutes? 45 minutes. It's 26th of February. I'm going to do until March, like the first day of March. Then I'm going to stop. So today, 1 month, done. Next day, next month, done. Boom. This is simple. Respecting this 1 hour. Maybe I want to go down. I don't know. You tell me, Nasdaq. I don't like this 1 minute. It's I do not like this 1 minute. Like, what the fuck? Nestle. Are we serious? Are we serious? Are we serious? I don't even feel like. What the fuck? I don't even feel like taking a trade at the moment. I don't know if it's this price, like action, or this month, or if it's just that I have done this too much already. Why does it do this? Just goes. It just goes. Doesn't ask. It does not want to show that it's going. It just goes. Now this shit is bugging again. Come on. I guess these days when we just keep dumping, it has happened too many times for now that I can do a little bit of pattern recognition. It just when it dumps, you just follow. I think that's the method. Like in this market that has like been. Yeah, this was the market crash, like start of the market crash from the tariffs from Trump. Yeah, and the volume died, so it'll chill just the rest of the day. Well, at the evening it went more. This is fucking crazy. This is like way too higher time frame where I'm going. I don't even know if these lows are valid to target because they're so far. This low. Holy shit, it edged that. It edged that. Also edges this 4 hour. If this day it just keeps dumping, I'm just going to enter probably to play. Yeah, like it retraces. Now it's showing that it wants to go down more. I mean, like these days, it has just gone down and down and down and down. Relative equal highs, also good draws. But I think if I enter shorts like at this candle, I need to have a really safe, like a really safe stop loss. It should be like way up here, or like here, and I cannot target this, so I'm going to have to target the next low and just go. Where do I go break even though? Yeah, probably on this. Yeah, here, break even. Oh, okay. Now, yeah, I think I'm doing too much, really honestly. It's like, I mean, it has a good idea. Ray tracing, continuation. No, I think this idea is pretty valid. Yeah. I think this idea is valid. Really honestly, when I like think of it now. But it's still risky because market open like first candle. No, it doesn't want to play. Come on, man. Click the play. Wow. I swear to God. This thing keeps playing with me. Alright now. Oh, yeah. I'll break even there. Boom. Yeah. Now I think this was like a logical trade. And I got afraid because I have done this already for 53 minutes, like constantly looking for new trades, and it's easy to get like trade blinded, like chart blinded. But I think this had an idea. It had a safe stop loss, even though it's market open trade. It has good amount of space. If it wicks up here, it should cancel the trade idea. But yeah, I'm going to wait. What day is this? 28th of February. How do I journal this? What do I say? High time frame. Trade idea. Low time frame. Entry. I probably that's understandable. And enter at the market open. Put with safe stop loss. This month, when I look back, this trade it was a bad one. I kind of already knew it before taking. I still took it because just wanted to know what would happen. I'm really not like also here January. Some of these trades that I lost, I kind of forced them because I just wanted to have more data on what would happen. More data on what would happen. So it's also not like optimal for profitability at the moment. I already have a good amount of knowledge what is a good trade and what is not, but now I'm like getting way more better and getting more into the details, like I'm more nerdy about it. And yeah, I think it's good for like the future. So it will speed up my trading discretion if I just study this more and more. And I think this is like going pretty well. It's the right method to backtest. Which day was this? Friday, and the next day is Monday, so I think it's like already at March. Yeah, these are up. This is already March. Boom! I've done now January and Tuesday. This was a really good trading. Only like that's all you need. You need like 4 trades a month, and like 70% of them being like wins, and just cut your losses when you have really small amounts of losses, and just really like really secure wins. I don't know, really like expectable wins. It's like it's simple. You don't need to overcomplicate it. Let's see my analytics for now. 72% win rate for now. I know this 72, it ain't even close to what the reality is if I just keep doing this, because there's only 13 trades. It should be like 50 trades when it gets to be more realistic with it. But yeah, I'm happy with today's results from the data studying. But yeah, I don't know. I'll continue tomorrow. This is like 1 hour long video, so probably nobody will watch this, but I think I will like skip through this when I want to like later in life. So yeah, progress is going good, even though I didn't want to make this because I was afraid that I would have like this massive loss streak where I just have losses and losses, even though I try to take the best kinds of trades. But yeah, yeah, yeah. Bye bye.